Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping only what matters, the compendium entry and a fresh save so you can retry the moment you miss the fusion alarm. Load personas that match the target arcana and have levels close to the target. This increases the chance of triggering the alarm because game fusion calculations prefer certain level brackets. Once done, open the Velvet Room and choose fusion type. Make sure to note inherited skills you want. This shapes which combinations will nudge the alarm. Now you perform the middle steps. Pick the exact parents the game predicts for the target and set skill inheritance consciously, because the alarm often triggers when a specific skill set or level threshold aligns. Fuse in small stages rather than a single big merge so the fusion table updates and you can react. Watch the result preview every time. Once you see a candidate that matches the target arcana and level, pause and compare skills, because confirming at the right moment is what produces the fusion alarm. Finish by confirming the final fusion when the preview matches your goal, then save right away. This preserves the successful result. If the fusion alarm never appeared, restore the pre-fusion save and change one variable. Raise or lower a parent persona's level, swap a skill to alter inheritance, or try a different ordering of parents. Make sure the target is in the compendium if required. Repeating these small changes usually forces the conditions that trigger the alarm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.